Alright, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly restart your Roku TV using only your remote. I will list in the description and the pinned comment the exact instructions so you can see them as you follow along in the video. Here we are. I have my Roku remote, and it's going to be a string of button presses. You go here and you press the home button right there at the top 5 times. So press it 5 times. Then the up arrow once, then the rewind button twice, and the fast forward button twice. Now, it took me a minute to realize that it's going to take a few seconds for your TV to restart. So give it a few seconds, and then you will see the Roku bouncing letters here, letting you know that you've done the right thing. And then you should see it reset, go to black for a second, and it will automatically launch the home page like you see here, and you've now restarted using only the remote. That's it. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.